Hello YouTube, today we're going to remove a battery from an old Tissot watch. It's a woman's Tissot watch. We're going to need a pair of small tools, the small hammer here, this pen and a small screwdriver, because it has a screw back case in the back, if you can see that. And if we're bored to take out the pins, we can use a Black & Decker screwdriver, an electric screwdriver. So let's begin. Now we should take the bracelet from those pins here that are in the body of the watch, but because I don't have the specific tool that's needed for this watch, we're going to try to take the bracelet off from these pins here. So let's put this thing here, if you can see that, and we're going to hammer it. So you can see the pin is beginning to show up here. But because it's an old watch, there's a lot of grease that has been accumulated and it's going to be a bit hard to take off the pin. So eventually the pin has come off. So after making sure we don't lose this pin from the bracelet, we're going to take a small screwdriver and we're going to start unscrewing those screws in the back of the case of the watch. Very small screws here, you can see. Also make sure that we don't lose them. And as we can see here, the casing is off. We're going to take a screw here and a screwdriver and try to take the battery out. And here it comes out. So we're going to find a replacement for this small battery. So we got this Renata battery. It's a 321 battery. It costs around €1. So it's going to be relatively cheap. So we're going to put the battery in. And once we've taken out of the box, I'm going to try to put this thing in here. Let's see if it works. Now this watch does not have a second hand, so we're going to make sure that it works, but it says that the time is around 10:15, so by the time we've screwed this back, it should have moved forward to the minute hand. So let's move and let's put the case back on. You can see it fits quite nice here, and we have those very small screws that we have removed in the first place. And we're just going to screw them back on. Now, although the screws are very small, I found it preferable for comparing to other types of putting back the case back of a watch, because it does not require you that you have specialized tools, and screwing back the screws are a relatively easy process that almost anyone can do, instead of having special tools for this kind of job. So we're all set with the case back. Okay, now so we're going to put the pin back on the bracelet. Just put this here, have the pin. So I think that the pin is in. So we have fixed the bracelet, and as you can see, The minute here has moved a minute or so, so that's how long it took us to adjust the bracelet. So this is how you can replace the battery in a Tissot woman's watch. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.